My name is Nell Craig, and I'm an instructor of Acupressure at the Santa Barbara Body Therapy Institute, and I'd like to share with you today some points for relieving the general headache. So to start with, we do a point called large intestine 4, and that is on the hand in between the thumb and the index finger, right in the web. And we just press right into this point. We're going to press in and hold for about 90 seconds on this point, and we can do it with a pinch. So we're going to just press right in, maybe massage a little bit. Kind of depends on what you feel in there. A lot of times you'll find a hard knot or a lump, and we just want to let that melt underneath our fingertips. So we're just going to press in and hold. This is a key master point for the body. So this not only is good for headaches, we're using it for the headache to open up the energy to the head, neck, and shoulder area, but it's also a great point for just about anything else you can think of. It's always good to start with large intestine 4. And I like to do a little bit of massage that point out, and then press in and hold again. And then you would go around and do the other side of the body. And for the purpose of keeping this video short, I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to come up here to the head, and I'm just going to reach underneath the shoulders and kind of give her a little massage. A lot of times headaches come from people having tight shoulders and tightness in the muscles of the neck and shoulder area. So oftentimes that comes from when you're not breathing with deep, slow breaths, and because we're very busy, we tend to have shallow breathing, which tends to tighten up the shoulder area. So we're going to just kind of loosen things up a little bit in this area. And then I'm going to press into a point called gallbladder 21, which is right at the top of the upper trapezius, right along the ridge. And I'm going to do that with supported thumbs. I'm just going to reach in, and I'm going to use my body weight. So I'm just leaning into it. So I don't have to put any tension or tightness in my hands. It's just my body weight. And I want to check in. Is the pressure okay? Feel good? When people do have a headache, they tend to have sensitive points, so we want to keep focused on their breath and how they're feeling. So after we press in and hold, I like to do a little bit of massage. So we want to press in and hold for at least 60 seconds. I'm going to shorten it a little bit for the purpose of keeping this video short, and even just by saying that, I'm lengthening this video. So I'm going to reach under the head, and I'm going to reach around with my index finger right into the base of the occiput on either side. There's a point called gallbladder 20. So I'm just going to press into this point and hold it. And then after pressing for at least a good 60 seconds, I'm going to do a little bit of massage in the area. And then I'm going to reach underneath just to the inside of that point, right below where the upper trapezius attaches to the base of the skull. There's a point called bladder 10. So I'm just going to press right into this point. And then lean a little bit and just kind of get some pressure on there. So after I press in and hold, then I'm going to do a little bit of massage. And I'm going to work my way up to the crown. So if you follow the back of the ear up to the top of the head, up to the crown, you can take your thumbs and just press right into a point called governor vessel 20. This is the Bahui point, also known as Du 20. And this point, there's only one of them. The governor vessel runs up the spine, up the center of the back, and over the top of the head. So we're just going to press in And I like to use this opportunity to do a little bit of massage in the gallbladder meridian. The general headache that most people get is the temporal headache, and that is directly linked with the gallbladder meridian. There are many different kinds of headaches, frontal headaches or temporal headaches. Anything with pain and pressure in this area would relate to the large intestine. So I'm just going to do a little bit of massage, and as I massage these gallbladder points, I'm just going to imagine that I'm going to place my intention on releasing the pressure. So I'm just going to imagine that the pressure is just melting and releasing underneath my fingertips. And 2 more points that we're going to focus on the forehead. A great point for the general headache is gallbladder 14, which is directly above the center of the eye, so right where the iris would be if you're looking straight forward. It would be about a thumb width above the eyebrow, so we're just going to press right in to gallbladder 14. And then the next point is stomach 8. So if we go to the outside corner of the eyebrow and we go up to the hairline, stomach 8 is going to be just on the edge of that hairline. So we're going to press into stomach 8. And again, maybe a little bit of massage to release the gallbladder meridian. Then I'm going to come down to the legs and do a couple more points. So a couple points that I'm going to do. First is stomach 36. Stomach 36 is located just below the knee. It's right at the head of the tibialis anterior. So I'm just going to find that and then press in. I like to press in with 2 thumbs. And of course, I would want to use proper body mechanics, and I'll just step in front of the camera for a moment. I would press in and just kind of lean into it. But for our purposes, you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to just press in and then do a little bit of massage. I'm going to massage down the tibialis anterior and just massage down the stomach meridian and out the stomach toe. The stomach toe is the second toe. So I'm just going to massage out the stomach toe. And I might do that a couple times. The next point that I'm going to do is bladder 60. Bladder 60 is right outside the lateral malleolus, and you can just reach in and hook that point right underneath. So bladder 60 is just opposite to kidney 3. A lot of times I'll just go ahead and pinch the back Achilles tendon here, and just kind of pinch right on the inside of the medial malleolus and the lateral malleolus, and just kind of, you might as well get both points while you're there. That's kind of my motto. Kidney 3 is a great point for general energizing the body to heal and deal with whatever it's dealing with, especially when you have a headache. So one more point I'm going to add, it's called liver 3. And anytime we have stress in the body, the liver meridian is kind of under attack, and most headaches are affecting the gallbladder meridian, which is paired with the liver. So it's really good to press into this point, liver 3, and it just kind of gives the liver a boost to help deal with the toxins and things that are working their way through the body. So I'm going to press into liver 3. And that's it for the general headache. There are other points that you can use for different kinds of headaches, migraine headaches, frontal headaches, eye strain, but these points would be to treat just the general headache. So thank you very much for watching this video.